Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be revealing one of my methods that I have used to generate $8,304 to be exact using artificial intelligence, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step in this video. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. My name is Brandon from Dad Works From Home, and on this channel I teach people how they can earn passive income from home. Now, I want to show you guys something that I've been doing to generate thousands of dollars online, and I'm using artificial intelligence, just one AI tool, to be able to make this money. So what you want to do is down below in the description of this video, I left a link to this program that comes from a company called the Home Business Academy. And the Home Business Academy is a company that's been around for quite a few years, and they have a great affiliate program. And if you look right here on this page, you can see that they offer 80% monthly commissions for any referrals that you make to their program. And they offer all kinds of things like tools, training, and coaching for anybody that wants to start a home business. So it's a wonderful program to join. I highly recommend it. This is income that I'm making, and it's reoccurring every single month. So I highly recommend checking out this program. So what you want to do here is enter your first name and then your email, and then click here where it says, yes, let me watch. And after you do that, it will take you to this page right here where you will find more information about the Home Business Academy and about their affiliate program. This particular program is called the All-in-One Business. And if you scroll further down, again, it will show you that they will pay you 80% commissions for joining their program and referring people to their product. Now, the best part is that it's only $25 to start this program. It's a $25 monthly subscription that will give you access, as you can see right here, to all of the done-for-you products, websites, emails, training, resources, customer service, product delivery, everything. They take care of everything. This is a done-for-you program, and it's only $25 to join. With this calculator, we're going to put $25 as our initial investment to join this program. So to join the program, click on this button right here. Then you'll land on this page right here where you can enter your information to join the program. Now, something you need to pay attention to in order to use the AI tool that I'm recommending is you need to come down here and you need to select this option right here that says, yes, add a 14-day free test drive to my order. And what this does is it allows you to access other tools that they have. As you can see right here, it says AI Content Creation Machine. They have an AI tool that is really helpful when it comes to marketing and getting sales. So you want to click right here where it says add the 14-day free trial. Okay, so click on that, and then as you can see right here, $25 to join. Complete order, get instant access now. After you do that, you're going to land right here. This is your back office to the Home Business Academy. And what I want to show you is that right here, when you click on this section that says HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions, it's going to take you to this page right here. And if for some reason you don't have access to this page, it's probably because when you signed up, you didn't select where it says, yes, add 14-day free test drive to my order. So that is why it's extremely important that you select this before you check out, okay? If you selected that option, then you should be able to have access to this page. And then the next thing you want to do is come right here where it says Emerson Magic Content Machine. This is the AI tool that I'm referring to. After you click on it, you're going to land on this page right here. It says Emerson Magic Content Machine. Tell Emerson what you want to write for you in the box below. You can say things like, write me an attention-getting YouTube video title using the keyword how to make money online. Write me a Facebook post about affiliate marketing. Give me 3 hashtags about online marketing. You can ask this AI tool to do just about anything for you when it comes to marketing online. And what we're going to do is we're going to ask Emerson, the AI content machine, to write us an email with a promotional offer link that we'll be able to send out to an email list. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what email list if I don't have an email list? Well, you're going to click on link number 2 down below in the description of this video, and it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. This is a company called My Leads and Secrets, and they give you 100 leads every single day for only $1 per day. They're going to provide us with the emails that we need to be able to send out our promotional offer. And if you're wondering, well, whose emails are these? If you scroll further down, you can see right here that they offer 100 drip-fed business opportunity email subscribers into your contact list every 24 hours. In other words, these are emails from people in top tier countries like the US, the UK, Australia, for example, that are looking for business opportunities. Now, the product that we signed up for, the All-in-One Digital Business with the Home Business Academy, is a perfect product to be able to offer to this subscriber list that is looking for business opportunities. So what you want to do next is click right here where it says Join MLGS Now, and you can add that $30 because remember it's $1 per day, so $30 per month. And then they also have a one-time $30 setup fee, so that's another $30. So far our total investment is $85. After you sign up with My Legion Secrets, you're going to land on a page like this. You're going to click right here where it says Mailing System. And under Mailing System, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And this is where we're going to be able to email those 100 leads that we're getting every single day. When you're first starting out, you're going to have the date that you signed up, and it's going to say 100 leads. Mine says more because I have been with them a lot longer, so I'm getting more leads, and I've also referred more people to them as an affiliate, so I'm getting 200 leads. But you're going to start off with 100 leads, and what you're going to do next is you're going to select right here where it says Select All. And that's going to move your leads to this side right here, and those are the leads that you're going to be emailing. Don't worry about this section or this one right here. What we're going to do is we're going to get a subject for our email, and then we're going to enter our email right here in this section. So going back to the Emerson Magic Content Machine, we're going to ask Emerson to create an email for us in order to promote the Home Business Academy and the All-in-One Business to that list of 100 subscribers. So what I told Emerson was, write me a short email telling the recipient about an incredible program called the All-in-One Business that teaches you how to make money online using affiliate marketing. Ask the recipient to click on this link to join the program. So basically, I'm asking the AI tool to come up with an email for me telling the recipient to click on my affiliate link to be able to join the All-in-One Business program from the Home Business Academy. So next, click on Go Emerson, and now the AI tool is going to come up with the email for you. Alright, so Emerson, the AI tool, came up with an email, and this is what it says right here. It says, subject, discover the magic of passive income with our amazing new program. So what we're going to do next is we're going to copy that subject line right there, and then we're going to come back into our mailing system with My Legion Secrets, and we're going to paste that subject right here where it says subject. Then we're going to go back to the email, and we're going to copy the rest of the body. Then we come back to the system, and we're going to paste that email right down here in this email box. And now there's a few things that we need to change with our emails. So for example, if you don't want it to say, hey there, fellow Freedom Crusader, if you want to use their first name, what you can do is that you can erase this part right here, and then just come up here, and they have a code for the first name. So it's going to grab the first name of the recipient. So copy that where it says first name, grab the code, come back down here where it says, hey there, and paste that code right there. So now it'll say the person's first name, like hey there Tim, hey there John, hey there Mary, and then they're going to be able to read the rest of the message right here. It talks about the All-in-One Business program, and there's a section right here where it says click here to join the All-in-One Business program. This is where we're going to need to put our affiliate link. After you join the All-in-One Business program from the Home Business Academy, you're going to have access to your links. These are your affiliate links. The one that we need to grab is this one right here that's called the All-in-One Business Sales Letter. Click on this copy button right here. Come back into the mailing system, and you're going to highlight this section right here that says click here to join the All-in-One Business program. There's a little link button up here. Click on that and then paste your affiliate link right there. And now people are going to be able to click on that, and it's going to take them to the sales page for the All-in-One Business, the one that looks like this. And then they're going to be able to see what the program is all about, and if they decide to sign up, then you're going to be able to keep 80% commission of that sale. Remember to come back into the mailing system and to change the name from Emerson and put your name. So I'm going to put Brandon right here, and then you can click Perfect Timing, and what that basically does is that it sends out the email at the optimal delivery time for whoever's receiving the email. Then after that, you're going to click on this button that says Send Now. Mine doesn't say that because I've already sent my email for the day, and they only let you send out one email every 24 hours. But yours should say Send Email right here. You're going to click on that button, and then that's going to send it out to the 100 emails that you had entered right up here. So after the first 24 hours are over, you can come back to Emerson and create another email and then send it out the next day to the same emailing list, but instead of 100 subscribers up here, you're actually going to have 200 subscribers, because remember, every single day you're getting an additional 100 subscribers. So over time, your email list is going to continue to build up and up and up, and you're going to get more people to receive that promotional offer, and that means you're going to get higher chances with time of people purchasing and you being able to make sales just like this. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like and remember to subscribe to learn more about how to make money online. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.